Hello and welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can style this beautiful and simple hairstyle for your child. If you want to know how to make this hairstyle, watch this video till the end. This is how I started filming this hair. But don't worry, I'm going to explain how I style the back in case you are wondering how you can make the back of the hair. The back of the hair is rasta. So what I did, after I sectioned the hair, I added the thread I'm going to twist with the hair. I added it before I start weaving the hair. So I weave it like 1 2 3 before I remove the thread. I started twisting the thread along with it. So you are going to see the way I made the front, which is the threading part. So that's how you will get how I twist the hair, and which is the back. That's how I twist the back and with the thread. So that's how I got this coil part. So I didn't draw the thread, I just twist it, and that's it. So you will see that this hairstyle is very simple. So, and what I'm using, in case you are wondering, I'm using Shana Jam this time. This is not another product, this is just Shana Jam. And yeah, the front, the first part, I section it two. The second part, I also section it two. But this third part, I'm going to be sectioning it three parts because this middle is deeper than the other side. So, and the packer I use, I also order it online. So I'll be dropping the link of this hair packer in the comment and the description section. Feel free to check it out in case you like the hair packer and you are interested to do it and to get it. So another thing I want to say, guys, if you are styling kids' hair, just let them, sometimes if they offer to help, let them help. That way they will be able to stay and they will feel like okay, they contribute to what you are making for them. So I allow my daughter to choose the kind of bead I use for her, the kind of hair packer. As you can see, she's the one giving me this hair packer, the kind of hair packer I use and all that. So yeah, it's very easy. I hope you are following my hand while I explain to you. And another thing is how you maintain this. In case you're wondering how will you maintain this, it's very easy. So what you do is I started using rosemary water now to spray their hair, which I will be dropping the video very soon. Okay, in case you are interested on how to achieve rosemary water, I will drop the video and for you to just also learn. So I spray the hair. After spraying the hair, my kids' hair, they're all fresh permy. I have not relaxed the hair before. So I don't want to use the other word because sometimes. So after you weave the hair, you're done with the packer. You section another part and you just, when you weave it a little, then add the the other one to it. So this is the part where I add a thread to this last part. I hope you're seeing it the way it is. You add a thread to it, you weave it a little. And yeah, if it's kind of tangle, you comb it first. If it's not tangle, just add a thread, weave it first, then you start twisting it with the thread. So the reason why you should um weave it first, because sometimes the thread might just pull off. It will be like a double work for you, you know, and that's it. So this hairstyle is very good. It's good for kids. So they can use to play in the park, go to school or kindergarten. And when you are using the thread, after you add the thread, make sure you tie it very well. Most especially for kids that are going to kindergarten, it's very important to tie it well because when they are playing, other children they might draw their hair and the bead will fall off and they might use it to play. Maybe it might not be safe for them. So that is why when you are tying the edge where you pull the bead, make sure you secure it very well, the way it will not pull off. In case you are wondering that maybe, okay, what if I don't have this kind of packer? Can't I just make it with maybe rubber band, which is colored rubber band? Yes, you can. But I recommend you use this kind of packer because the way the packer comes out from the hair, it gives the hair a unique look and it gives the hair this beauty. And trust me, guys, when my daughter was walking on the street with this hair, people were really complimenting the hair. So, and this is among the reason why kids always like to change their hair. They like when they compliment their hair, you know. So just try to create a hairstyle with different kind of hair packer. It gives um it gives this beauty and it makes people want to like, oh, I like this hair. And it makes them want to like, okay, mommy, which style are you styling for me again? This is very, very important for children. They like when people compliment their hair. It makes them want to sit and make more. Like when they are sitting, they are making their hair. You can be telling them, don't you don't you know how beautiful you look in this hairstyle and all that. And yeah. So, but if you don't have this rubber band, this hair packer, you can do with also colored rubber band. But I don't recommend you use black because black will just match with the hair. So to not bring any style, to not make it look stylish. So that's what we are looking for, that stylish way. So I hope you're enjoying this hairstyle. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope you like this hair. Please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all with all my heart. I say thank you. Please don't forget to like this video and also help us to share. That's the little way you support us. Just help us to share this video to your wall, to your platform, yeah, with your friends and all. Okay, thank you so much. So, and this is where we're going to be ending this hairstyle. I hope you like this hairstyle and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. And once again, thank you so much for your support. Bye.